Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA TS9520 series printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA TS9520 support. Best result should say Canon support for PIXMA TS9520. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to scroll down on this page underneath downloads and expand software and drivers. Scrolling down again, you want to locate an item in here that says TS9500 series full driver and software package. Select download. And then once it's downloaded to your computer, go ahead and open up that file to run it. If it gives you a user account control prompt, it should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes, and then give us a moment to begin the process of installing. Select Start Setup, select Next, and then allow it to begin updating the installer, and then you should be able to connect it, whether it's a wired or wireless connection. It'll walk you through the steps on the screen. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.